Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy eSim that will work in the Colombia. Link and coupon will be in the description. And open description and click on link eSim and open this web page voyafly.com and write Colombia. Click on this and open new page. Speed eSim high and 4G 5G data. And keep your WhatsApp number, instant activation under 5 minutes, no downloads or registration. Alright, choose data type unlimited or fixed. I am recommend unlimited data and choose speed plan, light or plus. I am recommend plus and select days. I am select 30 days and write amount eSim. I am one eSim buy and click on buy it now. Open page and write discount code ROAM tips and click on apply. Order discount ROAM tips $30 and click on Google Pay and buy eSim or write email, payment data, billing address, select your country and click on buy now and open new page and buy eSim and send your email address, eSim QR code and activation instruction. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me.